she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone stands to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. And the wonderful of it all is just to realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. Lemon and aching head. So I give her the car keys, and she helped me to bed. And then I told her, as I turned off the light, I said,